Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. 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 Hi, I'm Alec, this is Fast Tutorial and Song Photograph. In this video you'll find 4 variations of playing this song. So original chords. This is E major, C sharp minor, B major and A major. Ed plays this chord. This is E major, but this is strange chord, it's okay. For good sounding you need to mute third string, this one. As you wish, you can to use this chord, this C major too. This is E, E, C sharp, C sharp, B, B, A. Again. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. So pre-chorus. Da 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 da, da 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 da. Did you see that? I played this chord and this chord wherever absolutely. And again. So on chorus. And again E, and it's all. So second variation, this is chord E major, C sharp minor, B major and E major. Again E major, C sharp minor, B major and A major. Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, and again D, C sharp, C sharp, B, B, A, and pre-chorus. C sharp, A, E, B, and again C sharp, A, A, E, B. Easy. And chorus. And chorus. Da 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 da. And you can play these chords, these open strings. Da 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 da, da 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 da, oh. And this chord you can use for intro. So, third variation. You can play this strumming, but I don't like this. da 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 da, and D B B A G, and pre-chorus B G D A, and again. And chorus, so you can keep me, you can subscribe and can like me, holding me close till your eyes meet. You won't never be alone, I'll make you guide of next song. So D A B B G, and again D. Next, again. This chord C, but we hear E major, and C A G F, and pre-chorus A F C G, and again and chorus da 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 dum dum da 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 da, and again chorus da 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 da, G G A F, and again C. Easy, very easy. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. So you can keep me, you can subscribe and can like me, holding me close till your eyes meet. You won't never be alone, I'll make you guide of next song.